Video is about provisions related to welfare. This content was taken from the book Elements of Industrial Law written by N.D. Kapoor. Washing facilities. According to section 42, in every factory, adequate and suitable facilities for the use of male and female workers. Such facilities should be convenient and should be kept clean. Facilities for storing and drying clothing. According to section 43, suitable places for keeping clothing of workers not worn during working hours and for drying of wet clothing in respect of any factory or class of factories. The third is facilities for sitting. Provision of sitting arrangement for workers obligate to work in a standing position. According to section 44(1), in every factory, suitable arrangement for sitting shall be provided and maintained for all workers who are obligated to work in a standing position. Provision of seating arrangement for workers during work which can be done in a sitting position. According to section 44(2), if the worker in any factory engaged in a particular manufacturing process or working in a particular room are able to do their work efficiently in a sitting position, the chief inspector may require the occupier of the factory to provide such seating arrangement as may be practicable. First aid appliances. According to section 45(1), when the factory employs 150 workers, they should provide at least one first aid box. Then according to section 45(2), those first aid box should have prescribed content. Then according to section 45(3), each first aid box or cupboard shall be kept in charge of separate responsible person who holds a certificate in the first aid treatment recognized by the state government. Then according to section 45(4), when factory employs more than 500 workers, they should provide ambulance room facilities. The fifth one is canteen. According to section 46, when factory employs more than 250 workers, they should provide canteen facilities. Shelter, restroom and lunch rooms. According to section 47, when factory employs more than 150 workers, they should provide shelter, restroom and lunch room for the employees. According to section 47(2), those shelter, restroom and lunch rooms should be sufficiently lighted, ventilated and cool. Welfare benefit is crutches. According to section 48(1), when factory employs more than 30 women workers, they should provide crutches facilities for the women, and those crutches should be adequately lighted and ventilated and to be under the in charge of trained women according to section 48(2). And the last welfare benefit is welfare officers. When factories employs more than 500 workers, they should provide welfare officer for the employees according to section 49(1). And these welfare officers should have qualification and condition of service as prescribed by the state government according to the section 49(2).